Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you from wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Extensivo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect multiple cameras in vMix. You can use your phone camera as a webcam in vMix. I have this phone camera here, I have this tab here, which I'm going to be using as my second camera. You can connect up to 4 cameras using Iriun webcam, and I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. Stay tuned. Don't forget my name, Joseph Olasukomi, and this is Extensivo. Alright, so we're going to be using Iriun webcam, as I said earlier, Iriun webcam. So just search for Iriun webcam, and this is it over here, iriun.com, to download the Iriun webcam for your system. And you're still going to download this on your phone and stuff. I'm going to show you how to do that also. So this webcam for Windows, you select on it, click it, then it should be downloaded automatically. This is it over here, Iriun webcam 2.8.3. Yes, downloading. Once that is done, we're going to also run it. You can just run it directly here, or you can go to the folder where it's downloaded to. So where you set your downloads to go to, which is over here in my downloads, you see it over here, my Iriun webcam 2.8.10. Enter it, double tap it to install. The installation now is crucial. There's something we need to do in the installation over here. Once you want to click, you select yes, I agree to the terms and condition. But now what I want you to notice is the number of cameras. Usually is in default 1, so you will need to change it to 4, because I've installed it countless times. They already know, okay, I'm using 4. So please check this, the number of cameras you want to use. If it's in 1, you'll be able to only connect 1 camera to it, but if it's in 4, you'll be able to connect up to 4 cameras to it, which even if you want to use 1, you can still use 1 even if it's up to 4. So click on next. Then this is the installation part. Click on next by default. Then for me, they are telling me the folder actually exists because I've installed it before. I just uninstalled this to reinstall for you guys. So I'm going to like to put it in that same folder. But if you install it for the first time, they won't ask you all these questions. You just click on yes and install. And also, if you don't have the additional files it needs, like net frame and some things, just automatically download that also. And once you download that, that's pretty much it. As I'm ready for it to install, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, Extensivo. You can join this amazing family. I have a WhatsApp channel for most of my group members. You can join it also and have a lot of tips for streaming over there. So as we're waiting for that to download, let's check on how to also download it on the phone. So this is my phone over here. I'm just gonna go to the Play Store, which is over here, my Play Store. Then on the app icon, you can see for the search. You want to go for it to search, and then you want to search for Iriun webcam. Yep. Then this is the Iriun webcam over here, Iriun webcam, the Iriun 4K camera for Android and for Mac. The Iriun 4K camera for Android and Mac. It also works for Mac, it also works for PC, it works for both of them. Then if you have not installed it, you'll see an install button over here, but I already installed it, that's why it's open. So please install this. You can see 500 million downloads already. It's actually pretty good. Let me rate this 5, or should I just rate it, or let me just rate it 4, because I've seen better actually. But yep, this is good enough. Then that is done. So you can just open. Once I've installed, you can open it. So when you open the Iriun webcam, you'll see it over here. Make sure it's connected to the same network. So you can check my network settings over here, and you see that okay, it's connected to Extensivo 2.4. I'm just going to check my system is connected to Extensivo 2.4. So both of them are connected to the same network. Now the Iriun webcam has installed. We can start the Iriun webcam. And when you see that, when you start the Iriun webcam, it will actually be connected, since they're both connected to the same network and they're both turned on. Okay, so as you can see, this is Iriun webcam camera 1 over here. This is it, camera 1. You can see camera 1, camera 2 here is blank, 3 is blank, 4 is blank. So we can have that. I'm going to connect my phone also as another camera, which we're going to have 2 cameras. I told you that I have multiple cameras, which up to 4 cameras using this particular webcam. I have another webcam here installed. I'm going to open it, and also you should see that it's connected in cam 2. This is cam 2 over here. This is connected already. This is cam 1, this is cam 2. You can change the resolution if you want a higher resolution instead of automatic. You can make it 1080. Look at it over here. You can make this one also 1080 instead of automatic. I prefer selecting the quality instead of it being automatic, so it will help you better. You can use 720, you can use 1080. I'm just gonna drop this here. Yep, so that's done. Then your vMix, you can add inputs, and also you add inputs, go to camera over here. You're gonna see it in your camera like a digital webcam. So camera 1 over here, the camera 1 is the one without the hashtag 1. That's webcam ordinary. So click on cam 1, then off the audio, because I have a audio I'm going to bring in. Then yes, resolution is, make sure this resolution is the same resolution that is in your Iriun webcam over here. Okay, it's minimized. Let me just show you. Let me move the camera. It's minimized over here. This is the webcam. So make sure it's the same quality. Make sure it's the same quality that is here that you are bringing into your Iriun webcam here. You have to go to the 720. I did frame rate and not having much movement, so let's not leave it at part 750 and then click on OK. Default should be default. So guys, in the start, I'm going to suggest you to put in this MJPG, but this is front webcam, so default, and click on OK. Then you add your cam 1, which is over here. Yep, cam 1. Hello, okay, all good. Then let me input the cam 2. Camera, go and the same cam 2 hashtag 2. Then off the camera and click on hooking, and then we have a cam 2 over here. So cam 1 here, cam 2 here, which is having different data. Cut it, you can fade, you can merge, so you can have a bit of this. So just having it stuff like that. So you can put 3-4 cameras if you have other cameras connected to it. I could have used this camera that I'm using for the main camera, but I'm using it for my video. Because I've just put it as number 3 of the network of the audio radar. Then click on OK, and you see your Iriun webcam here. But since I'm not connected, it's showing looking for phone. I don't like this. It's just in case your phone, let's say something happened, your phone disconnected or your phone turned off when you're streaming, it's gonna show this card doing looking for phone at the tail is weakness. So instead of this, you can actually change your Iriun webcam over here. Change the blank video to show blank video when no connection. I like this, show blank video when there's no connection. So instead of it showing the card wiggling eye, so just show this instead, and this is pretty much better in a way. Digital cameras show blue, Iriun can show green. For the green also, you can remove the green to just show black. You can remove the green when key it out and show black because nothing is there. So just anyhow you take it. I think I've read this, so people just think it's disconnected. You know that the phone is wiggling and shaking or something like that. And that's how you connect multiple cameras using Iriun webcam in vMix. If the video has been very useful to you, please don't hesitate to like, comment, share to your loved ones, share to family, share to friends. Also, please join this extensible group to join my massive families on my WhatsApp channel. I put in links to buy some gadget on Amazon because people are telling to recommend them some streaming gears and stuff to be using for that streaming. So I've put in some links to download some streaming gears. If you want to start up a streaming, you can check it out. I'll tell you what alternatives to that if that is kind of too expensive for you and stuff. Thank you very much once again. My name is Isabella Sekomi. This is Extensible. See you in my next video.